Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kanot Liberty Higher Secondary School Jawai, haka at poetarik jerliu kalau Pynkup Burom ya baroki kena school kibala pas bah haka examen Sslc, but Hsslc haka arts but science stream jong uli usnam araja apusau. Ya kejingelang Pynkup Burom lapin long hapalau ke school, haka jindan lang Director Administration Embos Shillong uba McDonald Marbanyang kumukongsan ka Sub Inspector of School Jawai ka kong Siling Do kum ke sembut kongsan u principal ke school uba Richard B. Yuria ki kemi ki kpa ki nong hikai ki kena school bat kiwe menta usnam la dan laingut ki kena ke North Liberty High Secondary School ki balarung haka top first 10 position Hsslc haka science bat art stream haka science stream ki long uwei bha nong tudu lakyang ubalawan haka kedan ke bahendriu dak bakhur khandai pulai 0.8% bat ujo shavian onan password ubalawan haka kedan ke bahenyo dak bakhur khandai pu % katba haka art stream ki long u Frederick Gwyneth Ringklem ubalawan haka kedan ke bahenyo dak bakhur prapasan 0.8% ki weipat ki bala shapen ku Burom ki kentup ya ki kena Sslc ki badan shispa lai pulai ngut bat Hsslc ki badan khnai pasangut kentup haka science stream lai pasan ngut haka arts san pukhandai ngut u Director Administration Embos Shillong uba McDonald Marbanyang ulaong ka imlang ka salang ka don bok bat kalong ka jingker khu badan ka ni ka school ka bahajan tam ban sam ya ka jingnang jing start banyo ya ka jingpule ka bakat kum ka ni ka juk ka pamenta haba kentu ya ki khna ulaong kum ki khna school pi hab ban klet ya ka jing sngo pha perthei ka imlang ka salang ki kam khawai dawai bat kini ki sausnam ki de ki ba kongsan banduriap ha ka pule ka puthi ban job ha ka jing im pi ki khna school pi de bandan ya ka mensim yaisha ula penshlo ki khna ban ya khoni ki competitive exam khamtam ki civil service Kipaya ban penphai ka senshar khadar namar baki khasi bat jantia ki dang duna bha ki bapas bala ka juga por ula ai khuple bat kit bok kit riang ya ki khana pule ki barung haka top 10 haka art stream bat science stream ula ya ro ya ka West Gentle Hills district da ka baong baka diga district ka bala kiu bha haka liang ka pule puthi hapo ka jela haka ba man usnam ka jing pas jong ki khana ka long proper positioning la ka long haka exam Sslc ne Hsslc bat kani ka pen i shisha baka district kala kiu bha amtang haka liang ka pule puthi hendai wat haka liang ka kamele kai sports ru kani ka district kala sei shibun ki rang bat ki thayele kai ki batbin
Congratulations once again, dear Bhav. God bless you always. Education.
Congratulate the schools, the principal, the management, the administrator, the teachers, all of you. You have done incredibly well. And North Liberty, like what Ms. Ligno has said, it has brought laurels to the whole Gentle Hills. Every year, even we would like to check on the merit list, on the state rank list, whether North Liberty it figure or not in the list. And almost every year, it did figure, and this year they are extremely doing well with 2 positions in the science stream, which is not at all easy to compete with the school in Shillong City as well as in other places. But you have done it, That is really a very good thing. What Sir has said, that art stream, 36,000 students competing in art stream, and to get in the top 10, it's not as easy as we thought. It is not that easy, which means it requires dedication, it requires a commitment, it requires a thorough study, right from the beginning of the year. When you are in class 9, 10, 11, 12, you have to forget the world. You have to forget the world. Others, they may play in the evening in the playground. Others may attend the bereaved family in your locality. Others may attend the wedding in your family or in your relatives, but you have to think of your career. These 4 years, they are the very crucial years for the students so that they can perform well. And Lord Not Liberty is, I feel that it has brought blessing to many families. Why I say is a blessing to many families, especially in the Jaita Hills region. See, to get an updated quality education in our own doorstep, in our own Jowai town, it is not easy. Many students, they have to fly. They have to go all the way either to Dehradun, they have to go all the way either to Kodaikanal or to Chennai or to other metros in the country to get that updated quality education. But here you are. West Jaita Hill districts, when I check what West Jaita Hill district is one of the, the advanced district in our state. Almost every year you'll find that they cross 80 plus percentage, whether in the Sslc or in the high secondary examination when we declare the results, which implies that the whole district is a promising district. It is a district which is going forward. And we have also testified that there are so many personalities that have coming up which the district has produced. They are very good in education, whether in the field of education, whether in the field of sports, whether in any other field, you'll find eminent personalities produced by West Jaita Hill districts. We have limited number of civil service in our state. Very, very limited number of civil service in our state. This is also one of the line which I feel that you need to focus upon. Yes, medical, to become a doctor is very good. To become a lawyer is very good. To become a professor is very good. To become a teacher is very good. And also, you need to think. You are in class 10, 11, 12, 9. Think what to do to become a good civil servant.